guys, today we're gonna do a video about how to play baseball. And actually we're just gonna play baseball. So we have somebody who's gonna bowl, his name's Hanu Hurst. And then the batter here is Estienne. Yeah. And then I'm gonna film and then Hanu's quickly gonna go with the ball. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was a nice shot.
Now you run for your life. And that shot does not pick you up.
Oh, okay.
Run all full point. It's a home runner.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's see how
You have to hold it back like this. Okay. And now, whoa. Now run.
Whoa! That's nice and high. Okay, let's see a bit from the bowler. Het is amper 'n minuut. Okay, bowler, we want to ask you a few questions. What sport do you do with balls?
A lot of sports.
Like?
Squash, tennis, cricket, baseball, rugby.
Do you like rugby? Do you like rugby?
Yeah, very much.
Okay, you do cricket, right?
Yeah, I play cricket.
So I see where your ball sports come from.
Yeah.
So let's see the batter here. He's a bit confident today. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye.
Shut up.